I'm going to be showing you how to create a storyboard with Meta AI. So there's no widely recognized or official Meta AI tool specifically designed for storyboarding, but there are some things that we can do. So the first thing we can do is just open any of the app that has Meta AI, and most of those fall under WhatsApp, Instagram, or Messenger. It's completely up to you which one you would like to choose. I'm just going to be using WhatsApp. It's right there. And just open your Meta AI chat. Once you're here, the first thing you can do is image generation AI, so you can generate scene visuals. Just write down the story and tell it to imagine a girl sipping coffee, and it'll create an image for you. So after the girl is sipping the coffee, you can write down what it'll do next. So after sipping coffee, maybe she eats a cake, and after that it will listen to music. As you can see, it's sipping coffee, drinking and eating cake, and listening to music as well. So all you need to do is save all of these pictures in a chronological order. So you can save this first, then this, and then this. And if you put them all together, it'll look like a story panel. So this is one of the ways you can create storyboard with Meta AI. So there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video.